Hello once again, so welcome to our channel. So today we are going to design this beautiful furniture, wood furniture in Solidworks 2023. I hope you will like it. So let's start. So go to file, choose new, select part, then say OK. Yes. So let's make plain white. So choose top plane, a sketch. So let's choose line. Choose line, draw line. See? Okay. Let's dimension this line. Give this one 200 millimeter. Okay. Yes. Assign this one also 100 millimeter. Okay. Select this one, hold control, and this one, make it equal. So choose this midpoint, hold control with this origin, make vertical. Select these three ones, this origin with this origin, this point, make it horizontal. Okay. So now my sketch is fully defined. Okay. So select this all lines, then go to offset entity, you see, then keep this distance, offset distance 8. You see, this now we have 8 distance. So let's assign line here to complete sketch, and also draw line complete sketch. So let's go to feature, extrude. Extrude up to add blind. Okay. Then extrude up to 200. Yes. Say yes. So select this face, normal. Choose line. Choose line. So draw line from this point up to this one. See, construct line like this one. Okay. Try to make 4 sketches. Yes. You see, try to make 4 sketches. Try to collect this one. You see, then let's assign dimension. Keep this one 8. See, this also has 8. Yes. Let's assign this angle, this outer angle 75. Yes. So let's keep this distance from this point up to this one. Let's keep 10. Yes. So assign the same dimensions for this one. Sketch 8. Here you have 8. Okay. Here you have this outer angle. We have 75 degrees. Okay, so keep the distance from this one up to this 40 millimeter. Okay, then keep this one 8. Okay, then assign this angle as usual, give it 75 degrees. Okay, keep this one distance of 40 millimeter. Okay, let's give this one also 8 millimeter of distance. Give this also 8 millimeter of distance. So assign this angle 75 degrees. Then keep this distance 40 millimeter. Yes. Select, then rotate. Rotate view, you see. So then let's go to features, extrude. Go to blind, choose extrude up to surface, then select this surface. So then an image. Click this one image to see the joint of the furniture. Say yes. So you see my furniture is ready. My furniture is now ready. So let's keep add material. So come to this one, to appearance. So you select this appearance, then click on this appearance colors, extend this one, then choose organic. You see this organic, select this, then select wood. So now let's add this material, polished wood, this one. So select this part like this one, choose any wood types wood you want. You see, I think it is this one. So friends, this is how to design different furniture by using Solidworks. I hope you have liked the video. So subscribe to our channel to get more. So friends, thank you.